Hi, I'm Hosanna Rodriguez, inviting you to our Beatrix Teatime book club. We have been book clubbing for over a decade, but this is our first virtual book club. I'm sorry we can't meet up in person, but a positive thing about a virtual book club is that you don't have to live in our town to join in on the fun. Each week we will share a live tea time on YouTube and a recap like this one. I'm also sending craft templates once a week to everyone who signed up. This week, week 2, we're reading The Tale of Benjamin Bunny, and we're decorating paper pots, putting a poem on the front, and then they'll make a plant or a flower to add to it. We will also paint real pots and plant wildflower seeds. We'll have bunny hopping races, and we might even dig bunny tunnels, since the wood where Benjamin Bunny was full of rabbit holes. Each week I share fun facts about animals, and this week I share the facts about rabbit homes, such as most rabbits live in tunnels or burrows called warrens. The tunnels are almost always dug and created by females. Rabbit warrens' locations can range from prairies to forests to deserts to beaches. Here's a little tidbit about Peter Rabbit getting stuck in that gooseberry net. First of all, do you know what a gooseberry is? A gooseberry is a small, almost like a grape, a sour grape. The skin is very sour, and the gooseberry net was put over the bushes so that birds wouldn't get to them. And that is the net that Peter Rabbit got stuck in. For our snack, we drank chamomile tea with fresh rosemary, and we ate crackers, pears, and apples. There are also other crafts and fun ideas in the Beatrix Potter Book Club organizer, and you can find that at www.letslearnkids.com. And if you haven't signed up for the notebook package with the cute literary device baskets, go to Here's an example of the literary device baskets that you can put in your notebook. And each basket has its own little code. It's pretty much just an abbreviation of the device so that they can easily write them on their own baskets, and they can record all of the literary devices that they find, such as metaphors, onomatopoeia, etc. And next week, week 3, we'll be reading The Tale of Mrs. Tiggywinkle. Our snack will be grape juice and maybe crackers and muffins and probably a fruit. We'll have a washing day approved of by Mrs. Tiggywinkle herself. We'll gather some small clothes, maybe even cloth napkins, and we'll wash them in a giant tub or bowl of soapy water. Then we'll hang a thin rope in the backyard and hang those clothes to dry. It's extra fun if you have clothespins like this. And especially these days where we're spending more time in front of computers, it's good to get kids' hands moving, because otherwise all they're doing is just pointing and touching screens, and they're not developing the strength, the dexterity, the flexibility in their hands. So this is a fun activity to get their hands moving. I'll also share a craft for those who have signed up for them. That's all for now. If you want to join us for our live tea time, just join us at Let's Learn Kids YouTube channel, Wednesdays, 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and we'll see you next week.